What's up, lovelies? It's your girl, Lovely V123, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. Guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how I achieve my infamous super stretched twist out. Y'all, there is a secret to it, and I'm gonna show y'all how it's done. So stay tuned for this video, but first, I need all of you to click below, click that subscribe button so that you're alerted to all my weekly videos, guys. You know you want to. So stay tuned to see how I get my hair popping like this. Okay guys, hey, today I'm going to show you how I achieve literally the best, the bomb twist out, okay? People ask me all the time how I get my twist outs popping, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Y'all, my hair is dirty, it's super dirty. I'll be back. Per usual, I will be using an anti-dandruff shampoo because as I stated, your girl got some issues, okay? We all know this by now. So all of the products I'll use today will be in the description box below. So look for that. Anything, whether it's makeup or hair products or tools, will be linked below in the description box, okay? So stay tuned. I'm gonna wash my hair and come back. Okay, lovelies, I'm using my anti-dandruff shampoo per usual, and I'm making sure to really focus on that scalp because, as y'all know, your girl got some scalp issues, okay? So I'm making sure to scrub really well and get it nice and clean. All right, lovely, so I've rinsed out the shampoo. My hair feels nice and clean, and now I'm going in with Palmer's Coconut Conditioner. I like this conditioner. It's pretty moisturizing, so I am being heavy-handed, y'all. I'm not scared, okay? I like to put a lot of conditioner because my hair is pretty dry, and I hadn't washed my hair in a while, so it needed that extra boost of moisture. So I'm making sure to distribute it thoroughly throughout my hair, as you can see, to make sure I have that extra oomph of moisture. So now I'm going to start finger detangling, and then I'm going to use my detangling brush to fully detangle everything. And then after that, I put my hair in large twisted sections so that it's easier to work with and easy to rinse out. All right, y'all, so I've rinsed out my conditioner, and now I'm going in with Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner. It's a light leave-in spray I like to use when I'm going to be blow drying my hair, which is what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm spraying that throughout my hair, as you can see. And y'all, since I will be using heat today, I'm going in with a heat protectant by Cantu. So I'm just spraying that throughout my hair. All right, lovely. So now we get to the blow drying process. So I take each section and I blow dry it with my blow dryer. I am using the comb attachment. So I'm going through each section, not rushing, not getting crazy, and then twisting it back in its own section just to make sure things stay pretty neat. So I do this throughout my whole head. It'll take a second. Be patient. Woo! Yes, finally done blow drying. Now I'm going to be oiling my scalp with Eden's Main's hair oil. Okay guys, so I'm back. You can see I blow dried my hair, y'all. I've oiled my scalp. It's ready and prepped to twist. So I'm using Echo Styler gel. I usually use the green one, but today I'm using the argan oil one to twist my hair. So I'm pinning it out the way, and I'm starting in the back. Hey, my hair is growing, guys. Got the growth. Woo woo. Hey. But yeah, like this. It's good. So I take a good size amount of the gel, put it on the section, rake through, making sure it gets on the full section, and then twist it up, guys. Make sure you're twisting tightly, okay? And you know, when you do these twists, you can keep them in for a number of days. Like usually when I do these twists, I keep them in for a couple days and then take them out. And the key to getting the perfect twist out, I will show you. But I think part of the key to getting the perfect twist out is doing it on blow dried hair. And then the other part of it is stretching it. So after I'm done twisting my hair up, I will show you how I stretch it out to get that really elongated look. All right, lovely. So now I'm just finishing up twisting this section and my whole head. Okay, we're making progress, guys. All I have is this one quadrant left. Okay guys, this is my very last twist. And guys, I did make the twist smaller than I expected. I probably will only keep the twist in a day or two. They came out good though. They came out really pretty. So I'm just putting a little more of this oil in my hand and I'll just rub it through. All right, lovelies, it's the next day and I let my hair dry overnight. Actually, my hair has been in these twists for, I think, a couple of days at this point. So as you can see, I'm pointing out 4 different quadrants in my hair. I'm getting 1 quadrant of those twists and I'm stretching it. So I'm pulling it and pinning it. Pulling it as taut as I can and pinning it. And y'all, this is how I get super duper stretched hair on my twists. So I'm pinning it, bringing it in a circular motion in the opposite direction and pinning it as tight as I can down to my scalp. So I'm gonna do that to each section, and I kind of pointed out 4 different sections, 2 at the top front and 2 at the bottom. So okay, that's 1 section done, as you can see. So now I'm gonna get the other front quadrant section. I'm pulling it as tight as I can around the opposite side of my head in a circular motion and then pinning it up. And y'all, this works so well. When I do this and leave it in overnight, usually I do this before I go to bed, stretching it. Okay, I finished the top 2 sections. Now I'm gonna start on the bottom 2 sections. All right, so I'm doing my last section on the bottom, the last quadrant, pulling it taut again and pinning it in place. And like I stated, I'm going to sleep with my hair like this and then come back the next day and take those twisties out. So this is what it looks like, guys. It looks a little crazy, okay? But it's well worth it, all right? All right, lovelies, we're almost at the end. It's the next day, and I am taking these pins out of my head, as you can see. Okay, and as you can see, guys, it is super stretched. These twists are super stretched out. Hey, now I'm going to put a little oil on my head and now start taking these little twisties out. Hey, and now you're going to see this definition. Y'all see that? Bam, definition, stretch. Y'all, this looks bomb. I love my hair. Hey. It looks really good. This is really cute, very defined and elongated. So this is, you know, one way you could wear it if you want. But me personally, I really like to twist it again and stretch it further in bigger sections to give it a little more volume. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay, y'all, so you could stop there if you wanted to, but for me, it's a pinch, just a pinch flat, and I want a little more volume. So this is what I do when I want a little more volume on my twist outs when they're kind of flat. I end up retwisting them into larger sections. So in total, I will have maybe 8 large sections, 8 large twists, and then I'm going to pin it around my head like I did the first time, and which is going to, you know, continue to stretch the hair out. So put them in large sections again and stretch it out and pin it. And y'all, this is really gonna step it up. Just watch. All right, lovely. So I left my hair in these large stretch twists for a few hours and now I'm taking them out. Hey, it looks good. My hair is banging, okay? Yes, honey. Bam! Y'all, don't play with me. So y'all, this is the final look. So I just had to slow it down for y'all real quick so y'all get this definition, honey. Ha! Look at that. Hey. So hopefully you guys got some good information from me. If you have any questions, please let me know. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it. Until next time, lovelies. Bye.